AI ASMR content is literally printing teenagers online thousands of dollars while AI does all the work for them. Check this channel, for example. Just last month, they made roughly $10,000 just from shorts that are made entirely using AI. And these other accounts are doing the same thing and getting millions of views and printing thousands of dollars. So in this video, I'm breaking down exactly how you can copy this trend and start your own faceless YouTube channel without spending a cent on software. I even made my own version using free AI tools in less than 15 minutes, and I'll show you how to do it too with no need for VO3 or any other paid software. Nobody's explained this method like I'm about to, because I've studied every video out there, every mistake people faced, and built a smarter way to do it, and now I'm giving it all to you. Now before we get into the tutorial, I just want to mention real quick that we're going to be using a lot of software and prompts for this method to work. That's why I made a completely free step-by-step document that has all the links and tools you'll need. You'll find the link below. Anyways, to get started, the first thing we need is to generate the prompts we're going to need. This is the foundation of the entire video, and if you get this part right, like I'm about to show you, the rest becomes super easy. Here's what you do. Open ChatGPT and click on the box that says GPTs and search for one called Make ASMR Images and Prompts. This tool is designed to give you detailed image prompts based on whatever you type in. But more importantly, the prompts it generates are styled just like the ones you see in all the viral AI ASMR videos that are trending right now. So for example, if I type in something like red pineapple, it will instantly generate a full detailed prompt, perfectly formatted for creating those high quality aesthetic ASMR style images. Now that we've got our prompt, let's actually generate the image. There's two ways you can do this. First, you can keep using the same ChatGPT chat and let it generate the image for you directly. All you have to do is type generate the image and it will ask whether you want a TikTok or YouTube format. Choose TikTok so the image fits perfectly in the shorts layout, and it will generate the image for you right after that. But if you want a bit more control and flexibility, I recommend using a site called Leonardo AI. Don't worry, you don't need a subscription. They give you 150 free credits every day, which is more than enough to generate all the images you need for this tutorial. So once you're logged in to Leonardo AI, the first thing you want to do is click on the Images tab. This is where the magic happens. Take the prompt you got from ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box. To make the results look as close as possible to those viral ASMR videos, make sure you select the Lucid Realism model. It's the best one for this kind of content. Before you hit generate, also make sure that the image format is set to TikTok ratio. Now hit generate, and just like that, it will give you 4 different images to choose from. Pick the best out of one of them, and once that's done, you're ready to move on to the next step, animating the image. This is where most people start to get stuck. They watch tutorials that use VO3, which is paid and not even available to everyone, and they have no idea what free tools can give similar results. So I did the digging for you, and after testing a bunch of options, the best free AI animation tool I found is called Kling AI. It lets you generate smooth animations with sound, and when you sign up, they give you 160 free credits right away. If you join my free Discord community with the link below, I'll even show you how to unlock unlimited credits with this simple trick, no cap. Anyways, once you create your account, click on the Assets tab and upload the image you just made. Then click on the image and select Generate Video. Now before you do anything else, make sure to manually switch to the 1.6 Kling model. That's the one you want to use. I've seen a lot of people use the newer models and then wonder why the animation takes 3 hours to finish. The 1.6 model only takes around 5 minutes, and the results are still super clean and perfect for this type of content. Now it's time to write your animation prompt, and this part's actually pretty simple. You don't need to overcomplicate anything, just describe exactly what you want to happen in the scene. For example, you could say something like, a hand is cutting the pineapple with soft slicing sounds. And once you've done that, make sure to turn on the Deep Seek feature. It gives more detail to your animation prompt, so you can get a better result. So after everything's set, just hit generate, wait a few minutes, and you're done. As you can see, the animation looks super realistic, and really close to what you get from VO3, and we didn't spend a single cent to do it. Now just do this for more images by repeating the exact same process. Generate the prompts, then the image, and lastly animate them exactly like how I showed you. By the end, you'll have a set of short animated clips that are perfect for the next steps, and the most important one, editing the video. Now, the reason this part matters is because we're going to use editing to make our videos stand out from all the other AI ASMR stuff out there. We're not just going to slap a random clip on the screen because that's what most people did. Instead, we're adding some little details that actually make people want to watch the entire video. And to achieve that, we're going to use this editing tool called CapCut. It's hands down the easiest and most beginner-friendly editing tool out there that literally anyone could get started with for this tutorial. So once you log into your account, click on Start a New Project and start a new one. Before you add everything, make sure you set the aspect ratio to vertical because you want your videos to look perfect on TikTok and Shorts. Then drag all your animated clips onto the timeline, one after another just like this, so you can start putting the video together. Next, let's add a caption at the top to hook people and keep them watching. So go to the text section, click Add Text, and then type something like, "Which of these AI ASMRs is the best?" This would help us get people to watch the entire video so they can answer this question. So after you do that, make the text bold and resize it so it's big and grabs attention. Then adjust your clips so they line up nicely with the text, and make sure to crop out the watermark down here. Lastly, click Export and choose the highest quality settings, something like this. So here's what the final video looks like. You made the entire video, but don't get too comfortable just yet, because no matter how good your video looks, if you don't post it the right way with the right SEO strategy, it's probably not going to get the views it deserves. And it's really all about your SEO strategy. Basically, SEO just means putting the right keywords and tags on your video so YouTube knows exactly who to show it to. Think of it like helping the algorithm help you. Now, I'm not some SEO expert myself, so I just use this tool called vidIQ to handle it for me. With vidIQ, you can generate your video's title, description, tags, and even find trending keywords all using AI. All you really gotta do is give your video topic and it'll do the rest. So once you create an account, click on the Create button in the left menu, then select Generate. That's the tab where you can get everything done. Title, description, tags, all in one place. Start by typing your video's topic in the box right here. I'll just write AI ASMR. In a few seconds, AI will generate everything for you all in one place. As you can see, it gave me a bunch of popular keywords like AI ASMR cutting, which means there's a solid demand for this kind of content we're making. Now it's time to actually upload the video to YouTube. Head over to your channel, click on Upload Video, and select your video file. Once that's loaded in, start by adding your title. Just write something like this, or copy the one from vidIQ. Then move on to the description. Copy the one vidIQ generated and paste it right into the description box. After that, scroll down to the tags section and add in tags vidIQ suggested. Once it all looks good, hit publish, and just like that, you now have an uploaded video ready to go viral and print you money. So to sum it up, first you generate a prompt using GPT, then create an image with it, and finally animate it. You repeat this process for several other images, which you'll use at the end to make one final video and upload it. It sounds pretty simple and easy, but I'm not gonna lie and tell you you'll find success doing this overnight. What I will say is that if you actually apply everything I showed you and stay consistent, success becomes a no-brainer. It's going to take time, effort, and a lot of grinding. And along the way, you're definitely going to run into problems and obstacles that'll slow you down. That's exactly why I created a free Discord community so I can help answer your questions and so you can connect with other people just like you who are trying to make YouTube automation work. If you made it this far, make sure to subscribe to Pablo AI, the sexiest channel that shows you how to escape the matrix. That's it for today's video. See ya.